Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show how to update your business profile in websites.co.in. First you need to click on the three bars, located on the top left, and click on Business Profile. To update your profile, click on the Edit button. Here you can update your basic information like username, phone number or your profile picture. To update your profile picture, click on the plus symbol and choose any picture of yourself. It's totally optional. Click on Submit. You can also update your business details to enhance your website. Let's add your business logo. To do so, click on the plus symbol and allow permissions to access your phone gallery. After selecting the image, you can crop the image so that it can fit in your profile. And click on Save. You can also edit your business name if you want. Enter your business description, so that your customers can know more about your business. In business description, you can also rank your keywords to improve your search rankings. You can also edit your business category and choose your business type from the drop-down list. Enter your GST number. It's a tax identification number in India. Mention the year in which your business started. And enter the total number of employees currently working. Now select your legal status of your business. Whether your business is a partnership firm, PSU or private, etc. Mention the annual turnover of your business. You can add the SEO, search engine optimization keyword. These are the keywords which customers search on the web. For example, best watches in Mumbai, or high quality jewelry. These keywords helps your website to gain more and more customers' attention. After filling all the above credentials, click on the Update button. Congratulations, your business profile is now updated. Thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Websites.co.in